Welcome back to ChurchMediaDesign.tv. I'm so glad to have you back. I'm Brad Zimmerman, and you know the boys over here. We got Dwight Schrute, Little Whitey, Colonel Sanders, the King of Chicken, and Jesus Christ, the Son of the Lord Most High. This is going to be CMD Mini, and this is going to just be a short, quick tip and a freebie for you guys. So we're going to go over how to resize video so that it will work well with Countdown Creator, because I know you guys love your cheap software, as do I. And so I wanted to show you how to use oddly shaped video you might find on the net for your countdown clock backgrounds. And then also I'm going to show you a free countdown clock that I'm going to give you guys. So let's check that out. Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to archive.org. Archive.org is the Internet Archive, and for quite some time people have been backing up websites on the internet without us knowing, which is really cool because you can search for websites that have been around for a long time and see what Amazon.com and Yahoo and Google looked like on the first day they started. The other great thing about archive.org is you can search for videos and images and a lot of free stuff on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to search for video, and we're going to just search for snow video. And I did that earlier, and I found this snowy black background, snow, wintertime. I wanted to find something snowy that we could use for Countdown Creator. The problem is it's not the right size. It's Countdown Creator wants 720 by 480 image size, and this is definitely not. It's a weird size, and there's some problems with it. Not only is it the wrong size, but it's the wrong format. It won't even open in Countdown Creator because it needs a QuickTime Movie or a MPEG or a WMV, and it's none of those. It's an MPEG 4. So the way we're going to fix that is we're going to head over to apple.com/QuickTime, and we're going to upgrade to QuickTime Pro. Now this does cost money. It's $30, but it's well worth it. You can do a lot of video conversion through QuickTime Pro, and that's what we're going to use it for today. So we're going to open up this MPEG 4, and we're going to go to File, Export, and we're going to click on the options for export. First we want to make sure that it's set to Movie to QuickTime Movie. And then we're going to click on Options, and you're going to see some settings and some size and that kind of stuff. And that's what we're going to play with, because we want to change the size of the video as well as the format of the video. So if we go to Settings, we'll pull up our settings. The first thing is this video is already compressed, so we don't want to compress it more. So what we're going to do is we're going to change it from H.264, which is a compression type, to animation. Now animation basically is lossless. It gives you the highest quality without being a crazy huge file size. So we're going to use animation. We're going to leave the frame rate at current, and the millions of colors, all of this stuff is great. We actually can click the quality all the way up to best, just so it uses the absolute best quality of that already compressed version. We'll hit OK. Now we're going to change the size, and this is where we change the size up. Right now it's 320 by 240. So we're going to click on Size, and instead of this compressor native, we're going to go down to the bottom and hit Custom. And in here we're just going to type in 720 by 480. We don't want to preserve the aspect ratio because it might black bar stuff. We want to actually skew it a little bit if it needs to be skewed. So we don't need to check either of these boxes, and then we're going to hit OK. Down here at the bottom it says Prepare for Internet Streaming. All that means is the first frames of the video are going to be a little bit more compressed than everything else because it wants to start it faster for internet streaming. Basically all you need to know, we don't want to prepare it for internet streaming. So we're going to hit OK. Now we're good to go, and you see that it's already telling us that it's going to save it out as a .mov, which is a file we can use inside Countdown Creator. If you hit save, it'll export it out. It'll take a few minutes, but in the end you'll see I've already done this, and you can see this QuickTime Movie that is, whoops, here's the QuickTime Movie. QuickTime Movie, and this is 720 by 480, and we got our snowy footage going on, and so that's all good to go. So now we can take that footage, we'll open up Countdown Creator, and we'll go select video or image background. We'll open that up and we'll find our snow video. Open it up and you'll see that it loads in perfectly and stretches to the full width of the screen. Now we can throw our countdown clock of any length with any font right on top of it, and everything's good to go. We can export it out as whatever our favorite file format is, and we're done. So that's how you scale up video and change the size so that it'll work with Countdown Creator. Well, this is our first freebie, and it's a 5-minute countdown clock. We used it at my church, and I think it'll be a great resource for you guys. It's got a vintage feel to it, and it will be a great tool for you guys' arsenal. So check that one out. You can get that from the website, ChurchMediaDesign.tv. While you're there, you can leave me a comment of a question, a tip or trick that you maybe have for other people, or questions about this episode or other episodes. You can also leave those at my email address, brad@ChurchMediaDesign.tv. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for the encouragement that you've sent already, and the show's going well, and I'm so excited. We got a new camera, I got new glasses, there's a lot new going on here at Church Media Design, so I'm really excited about that. So check us out next time. We're going to be starting our podcasting episodes. We're going to be talking about recording a message. So that'll be great. So signing off is Brad and the 3 Wise Men and Jesus, and we'll see you later.